Tell me about your e-bikes.
They're fully custom. It's mostly cargos because it's way harder to push like heavier loads with your legs, so it's kind of useful to have a motor on it. I worked at a bike shop for 8 years before becoming a frame builder. Depending on what people want, we can do like a Bosch transmission with a big motor on the cranks, or we can do hub motors. We had to pivot a lot of our suppliers. We use for like regular single butt tubes or like unbutted tubes. We use aircraft screws, which is based in Canada. There's a bunch of, like, we can't use Sencut Zen anymore because it's way too expensive. So we had to find a laser cut supplier in town. We are currently working with a bike shop in Montreal, CNL Cycles, to have as much components directly imported from Taiwan as we can, so that we can kind of circumvent the tariffs and just the US as a whole. It's more expensive for people in the US to pay for our stuff, so we are having less clients right now from the US.
It sucks, like, because there's a lot of frame building reseller for tubing that are from the States. There's like none in Canada, so a lot of what we need to make our bikes come from the States, and sometimes it's like up to 40 or 50% of the price that we pay in duties just for it. And then shipping to the US for our products, there's also been a drop in requests from US clients because of that. But the support is still here, and we're trying hard to make it work, and hopefully it's not going to last for a long time.
So you were in business before the tariffs started.
Yeah. So I saw the difference in what we pay in duties, and also in the amount of US clients that we have.
If you had to sort of quantify the sales difference pre-tariff, post-tariff?
Really hard to know, maybe like 50% drop.
That much?
Yeah, but at the same time, like, Canadian buyer went up because it's of all that like boycott of the US, and so everyone's more into local builders and everything, so it's a good boost also. It didn't change the total amount of sales, it just changes from where it comes from.